What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Lizard VR and today I'm going to show you some promo codes that you can get in the new winter update. So let's get right into the video. The first one you can get is Snow Joy. That's Snow Joy. I already got it, but it gives you company coins. The next one is OG is back. OG is back right there. It gives you company coins. The next one you want to do is gift for me. And it should give you another company coins. So then, I'm sorry. So then, the next one you want to do is Xmas Fun. And you get company coins as well. Then, the last one is Happy Holidays. Okay, whatever. Okay. So yeah, those are all the promo codes that are in the new winter update. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Mr. Lizard VR out.